to buy Solana tokens through Raydium on Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Solana tokens through Raydium on Phantom Wallet. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Phantom application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Also, you need to ensure that your wallet has enough tokens that you'd like to swap. Now after you reach to the Phantom wallet account, here you need to tap on the browser icon at the bottom right. Once you tap on it, now you will be taken to this page. From the list, you need to scroll down and find Raydium. If you don't find the Raydium in this list, you may also use the search bar at the top and there type in Raydium. Once you type in Raydium, you will be presented with the search results below. Here tap on the Raydium option and then you will be taken to a browser now. Once the browser loads, here now you need to connect your wallet. Tap on the Connect Wallet button at the top or at the bottom. Once you tap on Connect Wallet, now you will be presented with the wallet options. From the list, you need to tap on Phantom. Once you tap on Phantom, wait for a while and then it will be connected successfully with your Raydium. Once it is successfully connected, now you need to choose the tokens. From this From section, here tap on this arrow and select the token you would like to swap. After that, from the To section, make sure you have selected Solana token. Once doing that, now you need to specify the amount of Solana you would like to swap. Tap at the right side of this and enter the amount. After entering the amount, you need to tap on the swap option at the button below and approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. After that, you need to wait for the transaction to be processed, and once confirmed, you can refresh your wallet to see the new token balance reflected on your wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy Solana tokens through Raydium on Phantom wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.